Every professional designer has secret resources and websites that help them stand out among their competitors. If you have joined a design masterclass before, you will confirm what I am saying. So today, I'm going to share with you one secret website you can use to speed up your workflow, create stunning mockups to wow your clients, and much more. And that is pacdora.com. Pacdora is where you can create and customize mockups for almost everything you can imagine, be it t-shirts, phone, mug, box, and many others. Not just mockups, but you can create Dielines for your packaging projects, 3D modeling, and many others. By the end of this video, you will be able to create this stunning animation without any complex software and any complex skills. And guess what? I have a good news for you at the end of this video, so stay with me. Let me show you how to use this website right away. Let's use a t-shirt design for example. After creating your t-shirt design in any design software you use, be it Canva, Photoshop, Illustrator, and many others, all that you have to do is to export it as a PNG. So with Photoshop, you have to right click, you select it like this, and then you come to the layers panel, right click on it, and then you go to export as, and over here you select PNG, then you click on export, and then you choose the folder or a place where you want to save it, and then you click on save. Okay, so after exporting everything that you are going to need for the mockup, you just have to go to your favorite browser and then you search pacdora.com. So as you can see, all about mockups and Dieline templates at Pacdora. So you just have to click on mockup generator. We are going to do it for the t-shirt. After it, I'm going to show you how you can do it for the others. Yeah, so this is a t-shirt mockup. You can also search it in a set bar here. You have for female, you have round neck t-shirt mockup and many others. Let's use this one. So all that you have to do is first of all to upload your design. Yeah, so you just have to click on upload over here. So this is the front, this is the back, this is one hand of it, and this one too is the other side of that. Yeah, so before that you have to add your images. So these are the images that I've added already. Let me delete them so that I'll add them again for you to see how I do it. Great. So just click on upload, and then you select the image that you want to import. Okay, so in case you want to add another thing, just click on add images. Everything is on it. You have to just position them nicely on the design. As you can see, as you are doing it, and then you are checking the preview here to see if everything is working well. And then I can change the color of the hand. You click on face color, and then you click on the color. So basically, the color of the design will be sampled up here. So as you can see, these colors are the colors on my design. It will be sampled over here. So you don't have to stress. Now to click on it, and then it will be selected for that one. And then the other one to click on it, and then you sample it like so. If it is not nice, you can just take it off. So you can also edit the color inside like this. So this is the front. I think it is okay for me. You can just rotate it like so, check if everything is on point. And what I'm going to do next is to bring in the other image that's behind the t-shirt. I'm going to add this one like so. As you can see, it is facing here. So all that you have to do is to just rotate it to the back to check what you are doing. It's very simple. You can change the color of the t-shirt itself over here. Yeah, as you can see, it is being changed. And you can also click on this part to change the color specifically using the hue and then the saturation and others. You can also add images to it like this one. Let me add this thing here. As you can see, so you can add images and a whole lot of things. After everything is perfect, after everything is nice to you, just click on save. You can also animate it. It's very simple. Just click on videos, and then you can see there are previews of videos that you can just click on it to see how it's going to work. So with this one, let's see. Okay, so there are a lot of them here. You just click on it and then you show. So one thing is that you can save your mockup in a form of all the ones aligned here. So you can save it as a normal image. So I'm going to save it as a normal JPEG file or a PNG file. So you can save it by clicking on render and export, and then you can save it as a Dieline. So you can export the Dieline of this one. So when you export it, you're going to see it like this. Dielines are mostly used in Adobe Illustrator, or you can just export the PDF so you can export it in any other design software. So the videos too is very simple. Just click on it like so. You can also convert your design to code, and the share button here too, you can just share your mockup straight away by not just exporting, but someone can just click on it and come and see what you have done. So let's export the video to see how best we did it. So just click on any of these ones. Let me click on this one. Yeah, and then come down here, select any of them, MP4, MOV. I'm going to select MP4 and then click on export. Your download will start right here, and then you're going to receive it on your computer. So this is how it looks after exporting it. Very nice, and it looks very professional. Okay, so let's use another one. On that one, I'm going to use a package design. So I did this package design for a client, so I'm going to use the mockup here to make it more nicer. Click on the logo to go back to the home page. So you scroll down and then you click on mockup generator. Just go through it and then select whatever you like. So I'm going to use this one right here, standard punch packaging. Okay, so after it has opened like this, you just have to click on adjust images. So you have to import your images. Just click on add images. So nice one, that is it. So as I did earlier, the preview will help you do a better job. So you just check the review and see whether what you are doing is what you like. So we can just duplicate this and then use it for the other side. Like so. Nice one. So we can rotate it and see what you have done here. This is the back, then this is the front. Nice. So this part I can just change the color. So I can click on face color and then I'm going to use this color or even a silver like so. Yeah, okay, you can see. Nice. So you can do whatever that you like with it. Then click on save after you have done it, everything. Nice one. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to animate this one as well. So just click on super export. Okay, so basically all that you have to do is to click on videos and then you select any of the animations, the one that you prefer. So as you can see, they are very nice. This one is good. So you select the file type, MP4, MOV, and others. Let me export the video for you to see. This is the animation after exporting it. It's very nice and very professional. Clients will always love to see this. Pacdora, as I said earlier, also have Dielines template, and then you can also customize it as well. So all that you have to do is that you select whatever project that you are working on. So let's say a paper box, and then you just open up. So you just set your dimensions. So the length, the width, the height, and then the thickness and everything will be here for you to tweak your diagram. So if you are a package designer, you really understand everything that is going on here, and then you really know what you are doing. After setting up your dimensions and everything, select the file format that you want to export your diagram in. So you can use the Adobe Illustrator diagram, PDF diagram, 3D Mockup, DXF. So I'm going to use the Adobe Illustrator. Click on download the diagram. You select where you want to save it. So I'm just going to save, and as you can see, it has been downloaded as an Adobe Illustrator file. Nice. So as you can see for yourself, this website is very simple to use and it contains a whole lot of things to up your game. So it's not just about mockups and then diagrams. So there are some tools here that can also help you generate barcode, QR code generator, box templates, and a whole lot of things. You can check them out, AI background generator, and others. So with all these things, the good news is that you can use them for free. But if you want to go for the subscription, you can use my promo code GRAIN20 for a whopping 20% discount. Leave your questions in the comment section and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, guys, quench not your creativity. Peace.